Hi guys, Arnold here, the one hungry Hungarian, and on today's episode we're going to be preparing a Thai dish in the Instant Pot, red chicken curry with the side of perfect jasmine rice and a wonderful, refreshing green mango salad. I really can't wait to share this recipe with you, so come join me in my kitchen. So let's go over the ingredients you'll need for the salad. You'll need one large green mango, a red bell pepper. You're going to be using, either you can use Asian chili sauce or hot pepper sauce. I like these little red Thai chilies myself, nice and fresh. They will add a bit of kick as well as a lovely flavor to the salad. I'm going to be juicing one lime as well as chopping up that medium onion nice and fine. I'll be adding a couple of leaves of mint, as well as a little bit of cilantro, which adds a wonderful flavor to the dish. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, as well as about a cup worth of cashews and peanuts. You can toast those as well. I added them untoasted, they're just fine either way. We're going to be needing about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce for making the dressing. Now let's put everything together and see how it goes. Next, we'll talk about the rice. We'll use 2 cups of Thai Jasmine Rice, 2 cups of cold water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Now, I like to wash the rice first with cold water, so about 4 cups of cold water, massage it around a little bit to get all the starch out of it. Then we'll add 2 cups of water to the 2 cups of rice, and that ratio will result in a lovely, fluffy grains of rice when it's all finished cooking. I did add a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of olive oil. I just turned off the camera so I didn't actually record it, but it was in there. So next, let's go over the ingredients for the curry. You will need 650 grams or about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, 3 tablespoons of red curry paste, 2 medium onions, juice from 1 lime, 10 to 12 Thai basil leaves, 3 to 5 lime leaves, 2 carrots, 1 to 2 bell peppers, 1 can of full fat coconut milk, and a can of bamboo shoots. We'll begin by adding 3 tablespoons of the red curry paste into the Instant Pot, as well as half the coconut milk. We'll turn on the Instant Pot to the saute function, and we're going to saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes until it starts to really nicely bubble up. So when the 3 or 4 minutes is up, we're going to turn off our Instant Pot and add the cubes of chicken breast, mixing everything up nicely. About a quarter cup of water, as well as the rest of the coconut milk will go into this before we close it up and set it for a 4-minute pressure cook on high or manual high function of your Instant Pot. 4 minutes, that's it. In the meantime, it's snack time. While we wait for the pressure cooker to finish, we're going to be dicing up the rest of our veggies. I'm going to take half of those 3 different color peppers, so a total of 1.5 peppers, and dice them into cubes. As well as taking the leaves of the basil plant, just separating it off the stem, opening the bamboo and draining the water, as well as crushing the lime leaves in your hands a little bit before you put them into the dish. And it looks like our rice cooker has finished cooking the rice. I'm going to take a fork and gently fluff the rice to allow air to go in between the grains, which is going to keep it nice and fluffy as we wait for it to be served up. And we're almost at the finishing touches here. The bamboo shoots will go into the curry, as well as the vegetables we had just chopped up. We're going to be boiling them for about 3 or 4 minutes on the saute function. I am adding the lime leaves at this time. It is crucial to add the lime leaves. Please do not skip the lime leaves. It is such an amazing ingredient that without it the flavor is just not the same. Also note, I didn't add the basil. I will add that at the very last minute. And that's it. That concludes this recipe. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for joining me today and tuning in, and I'll see you again next time.